You sit down to be productive and somehow end up scrolling for an hour without even realizing how it happened. And the strange part is not even that it happens anymore, it's that it feels normal. That's the real issue. Because if your attention can disappear without you noticing, then this isn't a discipline problem. It's a control problem over your own focus. Think about it like this. A guy wakes up early, motivated, telling himself today will be different. He sits at his desk, opens his laptop, ready to work. 3 minutes in, he picks up his phone just to check something quickly. That quick check turns into notifications, then videos, then more videos. He looks up and almost an hour is gone. And he didn't even decide to stop working. He just drifted out of it. The scary part is that this doesn't even feel unusual anymore. If you're here, you're already ahead of most people. So like and subscribe now, because content like this takes effort and you'll want more of it. So the next day he tries harder, more discipline, more willpower, more determination. But the result is exactly the same. And that's because the problem was never effort. It was never laziness. It was the fact that his brain is getting rewarded faster from distraction than from work. And whatever gives faster reward will almost always win, no matter how motivated you feel. Here's the shift most people never really see clearly. Your brain is not choosing between good habits and bad habits. It is choosing between fast reward and slow reward. Scrolling gives instant stimulation. Work gives delayed payoff. So your brain keeps picking the option that feels better right now, not the one that matters later. Not because something is wrong with you, but because the reward system has been shaped that way over time. Imagine your attention like a slot machine. Every scroll is another pull. Every notification is a small win. Every video is something new and slightly more interesting than the last. After a while, normal life starts feeling too quiet. Reading feels slow. Studying feels heavy. Even thinking without stimulation feels uncomfortable. Not because those things got harder, but because your brain got used to constant noise and rapid reward. So instead of trying to fight your brain, you change what it expects. You don't remove pleasure from your life. You reset the way pleasure is earned. And that's where this simple system comes in. The first step is interrupting autopilot. For the next 24 hours, your goal is not perfection. It's awareness. Every time you reach for your phone without thinking, you pause for a second and notice it. Not to judge yourself, not to stop it forcefully, just to recognize, I didn't choose this. Because right now, most of your distractions are not decisions. They are reflexes. And you can't change something you don't see clearly. The second step is one clean focus block. Just one. Somewhere between 30 and 60 minutes where you do a single task without switching, without background stimulation, and without quick checks. At first, your brain will resist. It will feel uncomfortable, almost restless. That discomfort is not a sign you're doing it wrong. It's a sign your brain is adjusting to less stimulation than it's used to. The third step is earning your reward. This is where everything starts to shift. You don't remove rewards from your life, you reorder them. First you do the work, then you allow the distraction. Not before, not in between. After. Because now your brain starts learning a new rule. Effort comes first, reward comes second. And that single shift is what slowly rebuilds discipline from the inside. At the beginning, it won't feel smooth. You'll still get pulled toward distractions. You'll still feel resistance when you try to focus. But after a couple of days, something subtle changes. You start finishing things without negotiating with yourself. You stop overthinking the start, and focus doesn't feel like a battle every time. Because what's actually happening is simple. You are reducing the number of competing rewards in your environment long enough for your brain to recalibrate. And once that happens, discipline stops feeling like forcing yourself to do things and starts feeling like things just getting done. So here's the challenge. For the next 3 days, do one focused block per day with no phone during it. One clear task and a reward only after you finish. That's it. No extreme rules, no perfection, just consistency. And if you actually do it, you might realize something important. The version of you that can't focus was never broken. It was just overloaded.